I joined low stress options in August of 2023. I had some prior experience trading stocks and options, kind of self-taught, but I had joined one of those newsletters through, the biggest, most famous financial newsletter group, and had some pretty good success with that in previous years, but had kind of stopped doing it honestly because I just felt like I didn't have enough understanding to be comfortable continuing on with it. So when I heard about this program, the thing that got my attention right away was learning how to trade. I'd never considered myself a trader. I had done some buy and hold investing. I had done quite well with that, but I wanted to take it up to the next level. And so I jumped in, kind of head first, really, but I decided that I really did have a lot of trust for Troy, having been through some of his previous program, and I just knew that I have to give it a try to see if it works for me. And it didn't take long before I realized that it was everything that they said it was, and it was fun. And I never really thought I was going to find it to be so fun, but I ended up adding it. I started with a very small account. I think I started with $1,000, and then I added in a little bit more, and then I started realizing that, I have these other legacy brokerage accounts that I haven't touched in a long time. There's a retirement account that nothing's been done with it. And I just started adding in more and more and kind of going in deeper and deeper. I have a background in teaching entrepreneurs how to start and grow small businesses. I've gone through, graduate level courses in my own education. So I just recognized the value of it pretty quickly. And I realized that this was just something that wasn't just, sitting in a classroom learning things that you may or may not ever use, but it's really practical how to do it and very quickly proved itself to me. So I gotta say, it's been life-changing for me. I tell people about it all the time because I feel like I do understand being risk averse. I've been through that, going through another kind of a program before where they make big promises and they show you, the 1,000 and 5,000% gains that, I never had any of those, right? So it was like, I can understand why it makes sense to be skeptical. But the thing about this program is they're not asking you to take a leap of faith. They're saying, just give it a try. Do it slowly, we'll show you how, and prove it to yourself. And once you prove it to yourself, then off to the races.
Hey, Troy here. If you want to see the complete framework and how all of the pieces fit together, sign up for my free masterclass series. It's so low stress, you can do it in 1 to 2 hours a week. So low risk, the government allows you to trade it in custodial accounts for children. And so effective, it targets up to 68% returns per year. Just click the link below and I'll walk you through everything.